Friends, if you're making this mistake by copying and pasting the row data into the column, then there are better way to do it. I'll show you in this video how you can simply transfer from row to the column. For that, what we can use is a simple formula which is called transpose. Press equal and then type transpose. Then after that, open the bracket. Now select the first cell, then press Ctrl Shift right arrow to select the entire cell, and then close the bracket, press enter. Now you can see all the entries in the row has been moved to the column. Now if you delete it, it goes off. To fix this issue, what we can do is you can simply copy the data by pressing Ctrl Shift down arrow and then paste it as numbers or values. Now if you remove the row data, transpose data still will be available.